dishes up heartwarming recipes that will satisfy the stomach and soul in a 5-hour marathon. For more Create, visit us on Facebook at Create TV Channel.
There are always new surprises to uncover.
You see increasing innovation everywhere.
Life is interconnected in ways we could hardly imagine. Our spies reveal the extraordinary relationships that exist among the creatures of the ocean.
To understand how China innovates is to rethink what innovation means in the first place.
Join us for this Wednesday night lineup, beginning at 7.
Milk Street, Christina Perillo's Back to the Cutting Board, Ming Tsai, Lucy Wolf, I Love James Traveler, David Dunlop, Painting Through Time, Julia Child, Her Old Ones in Black and White, Sarah Moulton, and Dining with the Chef. This is Marilyn, and thank you for everything you do. Those are my favorite programs that I watch. Bye.
Get in the game. Refugees, hindsight, privacy. Roll the picture, roll the dice. Twist my arm while you entice me.
Let the games begin at 4Kids TV. Game Station.
Nobody knows.
Next Saturday morning. For more, go to 4kids.com. Get in the game with Sonic X.
Next week.
Get in the game.
I'm going to a teen music festival. Saturday afternoon, April 20th. Cool.
Roll the dice. Twist my arm while you entice me.
The games begin at 4Kids TV. Game Station. Next Saturday morning. For more, go to 4kids.com.
Get in the game with Kirby Right Back At Ya. Only on 4Kids TV.
Right back at ya.
Get in the game.
Refugees, hindsight, privacy. Roll the picture, roll the dice. Twist my arm while you entice me. Go to hell inside.
Let the games begin at 4Kids TV. Game Station.
Nobody knows.
Next Saturday morning. For more, go to 4kids.com.